Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with the major, EURUSD, Dimitrios Tapas describes.
EURUSD is trading around 1.1905 within the uptrend channel formed since early February. We can see that the area is consolidating around 1900 and is likely to reach 68 Murray around 1962 if it remains above the within the uptrend channel in the coming hours. There is strong resistance around 68 Murray, located at 1962. If the euro reaches this level, it could be seen as a good point to resume its main bearish cycle. The 68 Murray zone coincides with the 61 Fibonacci retracement, a key level at which we should wait to open short positions. We must be careful if we want to sell at current price levels, as the Eagle indicator is showing a positive signal, and any pullback will be seen as an opportunity to buy the euro in incoming days. A sharp break of the uptrend and consolidation below the 21 SMA, it's a sign line on the graphic, located at 1.1860, could signal a change in trend, and the euro could resume its bearish cycle and reach the lower band of main uptrend channel around 1785. EURUSD could even find good support around the 200 EMA, located at 1782. It's a purple line on the chart. A drop below the 200 EMA could signal a sharp decline in the euro, and we could expect it to reach the psychological level of 1.1500 in the coming days.
Let's trade with the MACD indicator. It's time for GBPUSD. Jakub Novak presents.
You could plan to buy the pound today upon reaching the entry point around 37.04, targeting growth to 37.54. Around 37.54, you could exit long positions and open shorts in the opposite direction, expecting a rebound of 30-35 point move. Pound growth today can be expected after weak US data. Before buying, make sure that the MACD indicator is above the zero mark and just beginning to rise from it. You could also plan to buy the pound today in case of two consecutive price tests of 1.3678, while the MACD indicator is in an oversold zone. This will limit the pair's downward potential and lead to an upward market reversal. Growth toward the opposite levels of 1.3704 and 37.54 can be expected. You could plan to sell the pound today after an update break of the 1.3678, which will lead to a rapid decline in the pair. The key target for sellers will be 1.3625, where you could exit short positions and immediately open longs in the opposite direction, expecting a rebound for 20-25 point. Pressure on the pound will return today if US data is strong. Before selling, make sure that the MACD indicator is below the zero mark and just beginning to decline from it. You could also plan to sell the pound today in case of two consecutive price tests of 1.3704, while the MACD indicator is in an overbought zone. This will limit the pair's upward potential and lead to a downward market reversal. A decline toward the opposite levels of 1.3678 and 36.25 can be expected.
That's all for today. See you online soon.